Turn a plastic bottle into a planter like this, and I will show you how to do it step by step in today's video. So this is a plastic bottle and I have created a planter like this. We get many plastic bottles in daily life, and we normally throw them away, but I will show you a small DIY with this bottle, how to use it in your gardening as a planter. So this plastic bottle, do not throw away, you can simply use it as a planter. So in this video I will showing you how to use it as a planter. First thing is, I'm going to cut it from here, and with the help of this blade I'm going to cut it from here. So now here I have it in two halves. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to further cut it from this part, and I will show you what I'm going to do with that. So now I have cut the top part of the bottle like this and remove this part like this. So I have three portions now of the bottle, and now I'm going to make drainage holes in this. So now using a screwdriver I have made some drainage holes. So now my drainage holes are done. So the next part is to fill this with some soil. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to keep this portion like this. So let's see how I fill this with soil. After filling it with half of soil, I'm going to place this top part here in the middle of the this planter. So after that again I'm going to fill this with soil. So now I'm going to put the plant in this. I have selected a spider plant for this. This is the spider plant that I have selected. So now what are we going to do is, we are going to plant it in this pot. So now after putting the plant, the look is like this of our DIY planter. So after that you can fill some stones around the this top part, so that it will be very tight and not shaky. Okay, so let's add some stones around this first layer. You can select any garden rocks, construction rocks, or any type of rock to decorate it finally. So let's see how I'm going to add this now. So add these rocks around the planter so that it will be tight and not shaky. Any decorative rocks you can use. And now this planter is ready. You can keep it among your other plants as well. So this is how you make a DIY planter out of your waste plastic bottles, water bottles. And if you are a person who doesn't have time, you can do something simple like this without any decorative paint or anything like that. So there's no painting added here. I have simply used the plastic bottle. So you also can make any planters with the use of waste bottles. So for the decorating, you can add some aquarium stones also into this, and it will give a very attractive look. At the second layer you can do any decoration that you wish. So these stones will add beauty, and you can use color stones as well, but here I am using the white stones. So this is the final work that we have to do. So that's it. So the final look of this planter is like this. And if you are a person who doesn't have time to paint and do other crafting, you can just simply use the waste bottle the way I did, and it is really very easy and takes no time. Only you have to find some rocks, and these are some decorative rocks. You can get these items very easily, and you can use the waste material in your gardening the way I did. So follow these steps, and happy gardening, friends. Hope you find this video very useful. Thanks for watching.